This video is all about physical and cognitive development in adolescents. Adolescent substance use and their eating problems and disorders. Adolescence is not time of rebellion. For example, using substances like lab drugs, ecstasy, alcohol drinking, and cigarette smoking. Not time of crisis, pathology, and deviance like fraternity. Adolescence is a time of evaluation of decision making, of commitment, and carving out a place in this world. There are many changes happens in adolescence, like pubertal changes, such as enlargement of the breast, widening of the hips, pubic hair in certain parts, and in males, broaden of shoulders, and their voice become husky. Hormonal changes like menstruation in females and changes in height and weight, sexual maturation, and body image.
Everything will be okay. Puberty. Puberty fair is on its way. Puberty. No reason to be scared of it. I promise it don't hurt a bit. This could be your lucky day. Puberty. Your voice is gonna start to change. Puberty. No problem. Your body's gonna rearrange. Puberty. No problem. My aim is perfect. You can bet I never miss nobody yet. Because this is kind of strange. Puberty. My friend, you're gonna grow some hair. Puberty. You're gonna find it everywhere. Puberty. No problem. When your face is full of zits and your dress no longer fits, you know who's been there. Puberty. We're singing, hey, no problem. Make a wish, but don't be greedy. Hey, no problem. Puberty. My aim is perfect. You can bet I never miss nobody yet. This could be your lucky day. Puberty. One last. Your lucky day. Puberty.
Alcoholism is the most prevalent substance abuse pattern in our culture. Alcohol has been used and abused since prehistoric times. Mead, an alcoholic beverage produced from honey, was drunk in the Paleolithic period. Berry wine and beer were also used.
Effects of alcohol. Alcohol is not digested, it is absorbed through the stomach and intestinal walls and then broken down by oxidation, primarily in the liver. With continued alcohol intake, there is a loss of more complex perceptual and cognitive functions, followed by disturbance of even simple memory and perception process and motor coordination.
And foremost, drugs often generate their effects rapidly and intensively, so the reinforcement effect immediate and strong. Also, we commonly see advertising that implies that taking a pill or a drink can be a quick solution to any problem. The choice of a drug by a potential abuser often depends in media exposure, parental modeling, and peer subculture influence.
Here are some research findings involving adolescent eating disorders. Girls who felt negatively about their bodies in early adolescence were more likely to develop eating disorders. Negative parent-adolescent relationships were linked with increased dieting by girls over a 1-year period. Girls who were both sexually active with their boyfriend and in pubertal transition were the most likely to be dieting or engaging in disordered eating patterns. Girls who were making a lot of effort to look like same-sex figures in the media were more likely than their peers to become very concerned about their weight. Let's now examine 2 eating disorders that may appear in adolescence: anorexia nervosa and bulimia nervosa.
Anorexia nervosa is an eating disorder that involves the relentless pursuit of thinness through starvation. Anorexia nervosa eventually can lead to death. 3 main characteristics of person with anorexia nervosa are these: weighing less than 85% of what is considered normal for their age and height, having an intense of fear gaining weight. The fear does not decrease with weight loss. Having a disordered image of their body shape. Even when they are extremely thin, they see themselves as too fat. They never think they are thin enough, especially in the abdomen, buttocks, and thighs. They usually weigh themselves frequently, often take their body measurements, and gaze critically at themselves in
With anorexics, most bulimics are preoccupied with food, have a strong fear of becoming overweight, and are depressed or anxious. Unlike anorexia nervosa, the binge and purging of bulimia nervosa occurs within a normal weight range, which means that it is often difficult to detect. Although many people binge and purge occasionally and some experiment with it, for a person to be considered to have a serious bulimic disorder, the episodes must occur at least twice a week for 3 months. Many bulimics once were somewhat overweight and began binging and purging during an episode of dieting. One recent study of adults and girls found that increased dieting, pressure to be thin, exaggerated importance of appearance, body dissatisfaction, depression symptoms, low self-esteem, and low social support predicted binge eating 2 years later.